Hey y'all, Bob here at Fins and Finds. I'm out today with Rob with Missouri Creek Fishing. We're gonna do a little creek fishing today. Once you check out his channel, I have a link in the description below. Be sure to like his channel, subscribe, drop a note saying that I sent you. And we're gonna have a lot of great fishing with you today. So again, we're fishing this little creek here in
Southeast Missouri.
Southeast Missouri. Gonna be targeting bass and whatever else bites. But be back with you soon with some fish here. Oh yeah. Well, it's like a nice fish there. Let's see what Rob's got here. They like that little rock wall, I bet, right? Show him back here when you get a chance. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah, some kind of a growth there.
Healthy little fish.
I'm gonna put one of these little silver ones on. You just get ready for anything.
Oh yeah, you never know. Like I said, I've caught walleye and everything else in here. If
Yeah.
you're done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up to the next hole.
Okay. I mean, I don't mind pulling it myself, but
oh, dude, you fish, man. I just all about you getting the fish and running creek. Dude, I brought wax worm, everything. I'm gonna catch fish.
there's a fish. Yep. Settle down, boy. There we go. There's another bass. There we go, little bass, but it is a bass. Nice gar right there. Oh, there's a bass. Behave. Little guy. Still a fish. Fun to catch. Got a little smallmouth. Little guy. He's fun though. I think this thing turned off again on me though. No, it's recording still. Oops. Stay back. Drop kicked you. I just want to get a little on video. There we go. Come on. They're not all giants, but if you get them close off the camera, they look bigger.
Monster bass.
Another gar. They're a pain in the butt, but they're fun. It looks tempting, don't it? Well, we were getting off the river now, had a good day fishing, caught about, what, 6 bass each?
Probably.
Channel catfish, hooked into some gar, which you'll see on there, but had a great time.
Nobody lost any GoPro.
Thanks, Rob, for taking me out, do some creek fishing, some Missouri creek fishing. Been wanting to do that for a while, had a blast.